Hey, Eileen, Dan here. It was great talking with you today and coming in. Thanks for letting us take some photos of your shop. I just wanted to show you what we got going on here. So I Googled wine shop and you came up right here, number one. So click on that and it gives you all your information, right? Website directions, call. Got 62 4.8 star reviews average, so that's pretty amazing. Um, so if you go down here and click on your pictures, you will see, you know, all your pictures. They got inside, street view, and 360 is what we did today, and then by you, which is me. So these are the ones I took. These three I took today, right? But if you go on Street View 360, you got my three plus, you got two more. One here, someone took. Um, let's see, doesn't give me a date, but um, yeah, that's that one. And then here's another one. There, you can see your sign there. It's just a parking lot. So it must have been a Google Street View worker, somebody who works for Google. You know, the ones that got the cameras on top of their car and they drive by and take a photo while they're driving. Those were probably that was Google who probably did that. But these are mine. You can see here's the front of your building. I didn't get back far enough to get your sign, so it's kind of way up here. You can't see it. So when I come back and see you on Friday, I'm gonna do that one over again. Um, but yeah, you can see it, but it's just you got to rotate it. It's not a good picture. I was in a hurry because there were cars coming, and I was trying to not get my camera smashed by by a truck or something. But I'll do that one over. Here's the second one where we're inside, but you can see why I like to hide so that way people would just see everything you got in your shop. I don't want to be in the photos. And I prefer to do photos like this one. There's nobody in the building so that people can really see what's going on in there. Here's the last one we took, which we got that. I think you wanted to fill that up, but Friday we'll take another one of that if you want to fill that up, because I know you're going to fill this side up too, right? So we can do that one over. All your wine there, the barrels, looks cool. Your front door, tables. Um, yeah, so Google Street View is Google's baby, right? So they love photos. They love 360 photos. That's why they have the Google Trusted Photographer program, which I'm a part of. And then they like us posting pictures and especially 360 photos because there's not as many of those on Google. It engages potential clients and it enhances your visibility on Google Maps, so it all around just helps you out. There's nothing bad about it. So yeah, just wanted you to see that. You can zoom in, you can zoom out. So you go back to your page and just wanted to show you it's like your reviews here. Sorry, just 1 second. Google reviews. You can see all Google reviews, and I left you a review there, 5-star. You can check it out later if you want, but I'm a local guide too, so local guides, I think you have a few local guide reviews on here, which they just hold more clout with reviews on them. Yeah, but yeah, 62 reviews is pretty awesome at averaging 4.8. But yeah, I'll see you Friday. Thanks for your time, and I'll talk to you soon. Okay, bye.